the sun, the moon and the stars would have disappeared long ago. The good man is the friend of all living things. Nothing is more memorable than a smell. Ocean is more ancient than the mountains, and freighted with the memories and the dreams of time. Never measure the height of a mountain until you have reached the top. Nature, to be commanded, must be obeyed. Ah, summer, what power you have to make us suffer and like it. Pick a flower on earth and you move the farthest star. What would be left of our tragedies if an insect were to present us his? Adapt or perish, now as ever, is nature's inexorable imperative.